In this video, we will discuss how to graph in Google Sheets, as well as how to use a trend line and find the equation of that trend line. You'll notice that I've already put some data in my Google Sheet. I have my total volume in milliliters listed down column A, my total mass in grams listed down column B. You want to make sure that you have headings at the top of each column, and you want your variable that belongs on the x-axis to be in column A, your variable that belongs on the y-axis to be in column B. Once I have everything formatted the way I want it, I'm going to click and drag to highlight all of the text that I want included in this graph. Then I will click Insert and scroll down and click Chart. It will automatically put a chart in for me. I can change the chart type using the chart editor that pops up over on the side. When I click here, let's say I just want to see the points. So I choose Scatter Chart and it shows me the points. I already have a title, but you'll notice that when I hover over it, I can click and change the title, and it automatically put in those headings for me. Now I said that we would learn how to graph, and this is a graph, but we also want to find the slope of this line using the trend line feature. For that, I'm going to click Customize, and then I'm going to click Series. When I scroll all the way to the bottom of Series, you'll see Trend Line. Check that box. Now you have the trend line, but we still want to find the equation of that trend line. When I scroll down again, underneath Label, currently it says None. But if I click Use Equation, it will pop up the equation right there. This equation is in the format of y equals mx plus b, and we know that m is our slope, so our slope is right here.